Discover how to master perspective using the Vanishing Point filter. You'll learn to snap graphics onto complex surfaces and apply advanced blending to achieve a professional, lifelike finish in seconds. Start with opening your base image. In this video, we will fill this empty frame on the wall. Copy a photo or your artwork to the clipboard. You can copy an image from another Photoshop file or even from your browser. Create a new empty layer. This keeps your edit non-destructive and allows for better blending later. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Use the Create Plane tool to click the four corners of your target area. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste your image. If it's too large, press T for the Transform tool and scale it while holding Shift. Drag the image into the grid. It will automatically snap to the correct perspective. Position and resize it within the plane until it fits the frame perfectly. Press OK to apply. Click the FX button on the Layers panel to open Layer Styles and select Blending Options. Go to the Blend If area of the Advanced Blending section. Alt-drag the underlying layer sliders to blend the shadows and highlights naturally. The result? A perfectly integrated graphic with accurate perspective and realistic texture.